In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loom Video Recorder. Let's start at the beginning. Open Loom in your browser and either sign up or log into your account. If it's your first time, choose how you want to use Loom. You can install the desktop app or add the Chrome extension. The extension is great for quick, lightweight recordings right from your browser, while the desktop app is handy if you prefer a dedicated tool. Pick one and get set up. Once you're in, click New Video. You'll see 3 recording modes. Screen only captures what's on your display without your camera. Camera only is perfect for quick face-to-camera messages. Screen and camera records both your screen and a small camera bubble, which is often the best choice for tutorials because people can see you and your walkthrough at the same time. Before you hit record, choose your microphone and camera. Make sure the correct mic is selected so your audio is clear, and glance at the audio meter to confirm it's picking you up. Turn your webcam on or off based on your preference, and position the camera bubble, usually in a bottom corner where it won't cover important content. If your browser asks for permission to use your mic or camera, allow it so Loom can capture both. Next, decide what you want to record. You can capture your entire screen, a specific application window, or a single browser tab. Recording the whole screen is flexible, but selecting a specific window or tab helps keep things focused and avoids sharing notifications. After you choose, confirm what you want to share. Now you're ready to begin. Click Start Recording. You'll get a short countdown. Walk through your demo, tutorial, or explanation at a steady pace. If you want to emphasize something, use Loom's tools to highlight mouse clicks or draw on the screen to direct attention. Keep your cursor movements intentional and pause briefly before switching windows to give viewers time to follow along. When you're finished, click Stop or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Loom will automatically upload your recording and open it in your workspace. Your shareable link is generated instantly. Copy it and send it to clients, teammates, or students. It's a fast way to deliver clear instructions without scheduling a meeting. If you'd like to polish the video, you can trim the start and end, remove mistakes, add a clear title and description, and turn on captions for accessibility. Finally, share via link for the quickest handoff or download the video file if you need an offline copy or want to upload it elsewhere. And that's it. Simple, fast, and effective with Loom.